Dear fellow Slovenians throughout Canada, in Slovenia, and around the world, I am Joe Herceg, President of Slovenian Society in Vancouver, Canada. Today's date, June 25th, is a very important date in the history of Slovenia. Today, we celebrate Slovenia's 30th Statehood Day, the 30th anniversary of the day when Slovenia proclaimed itself a sovereign, independent country. On the occasion of this important anniversary, I congratulate and extend best wishes to our homeland Slovenia for continued success and prosperity. On behalf of the Committee of the Slovenian Society in Vancouver, all our members and myself, and send our cordial greetings to all of you. Friends, it gives me great pleasure to introduce you our dear friend, Dr. Margaret Rudolph, Honorary Consul of the Republic of Slovenia.
Prav lepa hvala, dragi Jože, in hvala lepa za vaše vodstvo. Thank you very much, Joe. I'm delighted to be part of this presentation. As you know, I'm your Honorary Consul, Margaret Rudolph, and I'm so pleased to take part in today's important celebration. Slovenia is achieving a milestone, 30 years of independence, and boy, have we come a long way. And we're also showing leadership in the European Union. As of July, Slovenia will take over the presidency of the European Union. And you might also know our ambassador is heading the delegation in Ottawa, so Slovenia is getting quite a lot of profile. Sem zelo vesela. Today we're celebrating independence, 30 years, and I must honor the great work of the Cultural Committee. Thank you so very much. And our youth performance, honor our young people celebrating their culture, and our singers singing our national anthem. We're looking forward to a number of festivities. Of course, in addition to today, we are working with the Museum of Anthropology to highlight our contribution to culture, which is the kurent. As you remember, we had a magnificent celebration a few years ago, and now the kurent is permanently on display. We also got a wonderful donation from the Ptuj Museum. It is also a mask called a rusina. It is a goat's head. Also will be on permanent display. We're pulling together a virtual presentation for June 25, Slovenia's Independence Day, together with the museum. Stay posted. In addition, we have a number of light shows we are presenting on June 26th, Saturday, so people can enjoy the day. Light show displaying Slovenia colors at City Hall starting at dusk. And since we have quite a few Slovenians living in Whistler, on June 25, we'll also have a light show on Fitzsimmons Bridge, together with a lovely graphic display put together by the Slovenian Society. Tako vam želim vse najboljše in priznamo, in off we go. Enjoy our celebration. Thank you.
Oh, Canada, our home and native land.
True patriot love in all of us command.
With glowing hearts we see thee rise, a true north, strong and free. From far and wide, O Canada, we stand on guard for thee.
God keep our land glorious and free.
Oh, Canada, we stand on guard for thee.
Živi si narodi, ki hrepeni dočakav dan. Tako, da sonce hodi prepirmo in sveta pregnan. Koronjak, razposak, nevragle sosed bomejak. Koronjak, rozpovstal, nevragle sosed bomejak, le sosed bomejak.
Hello, Margaret is back, sem prišla nazaj, because I have a very, very special surprise for somebody who is extremely deserving of our honor and recognition. The recognition comes from the Minister Jaklic, Minister for Slovenians Abroad, for Mr. Joe Herceg, for his many years of leadership and service as president of the Vancouver Slovenian Society. Prav lepa hvala, dragi Jože, and thank you so very much for all that you have done for the Slovenians in British Columbia and Vancouver. I'm so happy to honor Joe Herceg, President of the Slovenian Society, with this special recognition award on behalf of the Republic of Slovenia and Minister Jaklic. Let us zero in and invite Joe to say a few words.
Thank you, Margaret. Thank you so much for your presentation of the award on behalf of the Minister Jaklic. I am honored to receive the award on behalf of the Committee of Slovenian Society, who helped me throughout the years. So I'm really pleased to have you here and receive this award. Thank you so much.
And thank you very much, Joe. Prav lepa hvala.
Hvala vam.